Ever wondered how to make that certain someone, your crush, feel special? Well, strap in and prepare for a journey into the art of affection, charm, and subtle gestures of love. Step 1. Pay attention. Really listen when they talk. Their favorite color, their most beloved movie, the book they can't get enough of. These are not just random facts. These are keys to their heart, clues to their soul. Use them wisely and you'll unlock a world of connection. Step 2. Be genuine. Authenticity is the most attractive quality one can possess. It's easy to put on a show, but remember, true feelings shine brightest when they are real. Be yourself. Let your true colors show and let them see the real you. Moving on to step 3. Show kindness, not just to them, but to everyone around you. Kindness is a language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. It's a universal sign of a good heart, and it's undoubtedly attractive. Step 4. Support their dreams. Be the wind beneath their wings, the cheerleader on their sidelines. Show them that you believe in them, in their dreams, in their potential, that you're there for them through thick and thin. And finally, step 5. Surprise them. A little surprise can spark a big joy. It could be a handwritten note, a favorite treat, or even a simple compliment. It's the thought that counts, and it's these little things that make a big difference. So, to summarize, making your crush feel special isn't about grand gestures or dramatic displays of affection. It's about paying attention, being genuine, showing kindness, supporting their dreams, and surprising them in little ways that show you care. And remember, these steps are not a one-time thing. They are a continuous journey of showing your affection, your care, your love. Because in the end, making your crush feel special is not just about winning their heart. It's about proving that you're worthy of it. So go ahead, give it a try. And who knows? You might just make someone's day a little brighter, their smile a little wider, and their heart a little warmer.